Hi everyone. Today's video looks a little bit different because I'm filming everything on my iPad using the app Clips. I was inspired to do this because there's a lot of talk about flipped classrooms, which allows you as a teacher to teach the information in video format beforehand, give it to your students to view the night before, and then you come in the next day and you move on with the instruction. Flipped classrooms may work for a lot of you, but some of you it may not. But I still want to stress the importance of being able to use video in the classroom setting. So I've decided to use the Clips app to make Tech Tuesday today. So what the Clip apps does is allows you to record short video clips and then put them all together with effects that I'll show later in the video to create something entirely new in a longer video stream. Like I said before, videos are useful for flipped classroom. They're also useful for you to just create something for your students to have in order to help them solve problems later. Especially when we talk about test-taking strategies, if you film a video of you using the test-taking strategies and then give it to your students, or even have them make their own video of them doing test-taking strategies, it works even better to increase that memory. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into the video I've created using one of Miss Kelly's test-taking strategies in 3rd grade, which is the CUBES acronym. Hi everyone. For this video, we're going to be using the CUBES strategy for STAR Math. CUBES is an acronym, and each letter stands for one of the steps in solving a math problem. The C is step 1. C stands for circle the important numbers. The U is step 2, and the U stands for underline the question. Step 3 is B. B stands for box math action words. The E is step 4. E stands for evaluate. And lastly, step 5 is S, which stands for solve and check. Those are our 5 steps. Now let's see them in action. You can see for step 1, I circled the important numbers. For step 2, I underlined the question. For step 3, I boxed the math action words. For step 4, evaluate, I figured out what I was doing. I'm making a perimeter out of ribbon, which means I need to solve the perimeter of this rectangle. For step 5, I solve and then I check. To solve this problem, I add all 4 sides together, so it's 15 plus 15 plus 19 plus 19, and that equals 68, and 68 is larger than 60. So my answer is F. No, I don't have enough ribbon because 19 plus 19 plus 15 plus 15 equals 68, and 68 is larger than 60. So there we have it. I solved my problem using the CUBES problem-solving strategy. I circled the important numbers. I underlined the question. I boxed in the math action words. Then I evaluated what I was going to do. And finally, I solved it and I checked my answer. You can use this strategy when you're taking a test or at home doing homework to help you get the correct answer every time. Alright, so as you can see, that was the video I had created using the CUBES strategy that would have been shared with students or parents to help them understand how to solve the equations and what's going on in the class. Again, it would be really helpful if you had your students create their own videos because that just reinforces the learning strategies and helps them out. So this was a practical example of the Clips app. I know I didn't actually show how to use the app, but a lot of you have already seen how to do it out there. It is something that's available for iPhone and iPad. It is not a Google-related product, so if you have questions about making videos like this in Google, you can also reach out to me. But if you don't remember on how to use Clips or you want a kind of a follow-up training, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I'll be glad to help you out. That's going to be it for this Tech Tuesday video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or suggestions for future videos, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or Gerald. With that being said, I hope you have a great rest of whatever day it is that you're watching this, and thank you.